This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Azure subscription and a resource group in the region you need. Next, choose an OS image and VM size. This determines CPU, RAM, and cost, so pick according to workload. Generate an SSH key pair for Linux or a strong password for Windows and save it. Authentication is critical. Once done, open the Azure portal or Azure CLI and be ready to create the virtual network, subnet, and public IP that your VM will use. You create the VM using the portal or run as VM, create with resource group, name, image, size, and admin credentials. This automates NIC and disk creation. Configure the OS disk type and attach data disks if needed, because disk performance impacts application speed. Set network security group rules to open only required ports and enable extensions like VM Agent or Custom Script. Make sure to assign a managed identity and tags for lifecycle and cost tracking. These simplify access and billing later. You finalize by validating the VM boots and the VM Agent is healthy. Use boot diagnostics and the serial console when needed, since these show boot errors. Test connectivity by SSH or RDP to the assigned IP or through Azure Bastion, and confirm DNS, NSG, and route table settings. Connectivity problems are usually networking rules or firewall misconfigurations. If something fails, check activity logs and extension logs. Reapply NIC/NSG configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.